Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit reels on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to create a reel on my Instagram. I'm going to click on this plus button and go to the reel section, and I'm going to upload a video from my gallery. For instance, I'm going to upload this video. Okay, and if we want to edit this reel before we upload it to our Instagram, we can go to the edit section right here. Just click on edit video. Then you will be able to use a lot of editing tools right here. You can cut your video by clicking on this edit icon. You can cut it, or you can crop your video. You can also split your video and then change the speed of your video. And I'm just going to cut it. Okay, and we will be able to add audio, add tags, add sticker, caption, voiceover, and also folder to our Instagram reel. You can customize it as you want, guys. And here I'm just going to give you example on how to edit our Instagram reel. And for instance, I'm going to add audio to my Instagram reel. I'm gonna select this one. Okay, then I'm gonna add a sticker as well. Just go to sticker and choose the sticker that you want to add to your reel. I think I'm going to select this one. I'm going to place it right here, and folder will be better. So I'm gonna go to folder, and I'm just going to select this one. Okay, click on done. Once you're ready to share your reel, you can click on this icon, and then you can add caption, hashtag, or maybe poll to your reel. You can also edit cover. Then you just need to click on share to share this reel to your Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit reels on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.